Hey guys, welcome back to Firearms and Fellowship. So yesterday I was running this buddy heater, Mr. Heater, and I looked over and there was a big puddle of oil underneath it. So I'm not sure what is going on. So we're gonna take it apart and see if we can figure out what the issue is. Looks like this is broken. I think it may have something to do with I didn't have a filter in between the 20-pound propane tank and this heater. I guess the propane in those little green bottles is cleaner, but I'm not sure. If you guys know, put it down there in the comments. I'm just flying by the seat of my pants here. Looks like there's just 4 screws that hold this back on. These are good little heaters. They will throw some serious heat. And this is a lot cheaper to run than my electric heater. I've got a, I guess it's like a ice house heater. It runs on 220. Well, we either broke it or I don't know. So this is just the fan assembly here. We can run off of I think D cells, or you can plug it in. I don't have the plug for it. I've never run the fan on this. Oh, let's see if we can break anything. Okay, so we can see, let me zoom you in here. We can see oil here. So where is it coming from? It's all dry. Huh. Where would it be coming from? This thing's coming apart. Let's just take this off. It's just a cover. Let's see it cracked here. These things get hot and cold, so the plastic gets brittle. There we go. Yeah, see, this is just a cover. I don't think it's really necessary. Here's all the pieces that broke off of it. Let's keep all our screws together here. Okay. Where would the oil be coming from? That is the question. Maybe. Looks like it's coming from under here. Let's take these screws out. Let's see. Let's just see what's in there. Well, we got about 5 inches of snow out there so far. It's supposed to snow all day. We don't get a lot of snow in this part of Oklahoma. About once a year, we'll get a decent snow. Past couple of years, we haven't gotten a lot though. So it's kind of fun for us Okies. We don't get it all the time, like some of you guys live in the mountains up north. Okay. Yeah, this is oily. So what I'm thinking is the propane out of those big bottles is dirtier, and since I didn't have a filter, when the propane mixes with the air, the oil is heavier, so it probably falls out and doesn't get burned. Now this tank that I had hooked up to it, I got from one of those exchanges, you know, at the grocery store or whatever. So it might be bad propane because I've never had this issue before. So that's what's curious. I went and filled up 2 propane bottles yesterday at the propane place. So we're gonna hook up a fresh bottle of propane and see if that helps. And then when I can get to town, I'll get one of those filters and put it on here. So yeah, let's put this plate back on, and then we'll fire it up. And we'll just have to kind of keep an eye on it for now. Let me get a pick here. And it started. I need to put a wood stove out here is what I need to do. And get some foam sprayed in. I got a quote on that the other day. They want $2,500 for 1.5 inch closed cell foam for the walls and roof. What do you guys think? Is that fair? Fair money? It's 20 by 25 with 9-foot walls. 2 doors, 2 garage doors, man door, and then 2 small windows. Let me know what y'all think. This thing don't want to go. Alright, good enough. Okay, let's sit and kind of cattywomp this now, but I guess I could put this back on. Doesn't really do much, but it'll level it back out. Let's see, there was a washer in there. Nope. Block this up a little bit. Okay, get that started. All right, let's get this down on the ground. We'll set it out here kind of by itself. There we go. Let me grab a bottle. And we gotta unhook the old system here. Let's see. These are reverse threads. All right. So stiff. All right. Now, hook this up. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Let me grab a little Windex. Check our connections. And that one looks good. And that one looks good. All right, let's fire this bad boy up. It's got a clicker on it, but it doesn't work. I don't think they ever do. Okay. Let that warm up a little bit. Probably a little bit of air in the line. Okay, put it on low here. It's trying to light. See, poof, like that. It was doing that the other day. Trying to light. There it went. No. You can see it flickering. Let's try the other side. There we go. Now it's lit. Yeah. Should start glowing now. Yeah. Let's try the other side. It's kind of did a little flicker too, but it lit right up. Well, we're burning hot now. Just gonna have to kind of watch it, I guess. Let's see what happens. So, thanks for watching, guys. If you know anything about these, or tell me what's going on, I'd appreciate your comments. Thanks for watching. God bless.